Say hi, Rosie. Oh, she's sleeping. Hey, wait, Dinky. Say hi to sis. Oh, are you tired? Are you gonna go up to bed? Okay, I'm guessing that's a yes. Say hi. Okay. Okay. Let's see what. Here's Lizzie.
Sweetheart.
Right there. Here's my goldfish.
Okay, let's erase that. Let's make sure you have to do it.
That's the goldfish. Hold on.
Okay.
Here's Lizzie. Look, here's my sea monkey. See him? That's one right there. He's swimming away. Okay. Then my new hermit crab, because my other one died when Bubby and Leslie were here, so they got me a new one. So yeah, you'll love him. He pinched me. He has a turtle shell. Say hi. Hi. And then he pinched me bad right there. Yeah, he's quite a pincher. So yeah, I'm gonna put him back. And then that's all the pets. They wanted to say hi. And so, bye-bye. Say bye. I'm asleep. Okay, bye.